I didn't know a Lalaloopsy product was capable of reproducing such an ear-splitting sound!
Okay. Turn this on, and then we get the radio here. Wait, not radio alarm. Actually, we might want radio. And this is the only volume you can control this with. I don't want to spend too long on the radio stations because I don't want to get third-party matched because of copyrighted music on here, so I'm just going to skip through. Jazz. I think that's classic music here. Of course, you can't understand any of the songs because it's all garbled up with static or distorted. That's supposed to be classical music, by the way. Well, the channel I'm on, 91.5. Don't bother that noise, it's just my neighbors taking out the trash. Radio's boring enough. Going up to 100 now. Right here. I'm based in San Diego, by the way, not Miami. Boring. By the way, one of the stations, 103.7, it used to play pop, but for whatever reason, I don't know if it's just because they changed the station, it now plays country.
My dreams are dead. Martha, 81 years old, the latest Sports Illustrated cover model.
Look, you can't even get a decent tune out of this. Wait, was that, like, Jumper? Hold on. Yeah. I was only introduced to it because of Jimmy Fallon. Just about the only good song on here, aside from the one that plays with the alarm. Turn it back on here. So I could do this. It's still going. No! It's still going because the speakers are here. And it won't stop! There goes Pillow. Never liked her anyway. No more of that stupid alarm clock. Shut the heck up.